what's going on, YouTube? This EXO coming at you here with something that you probably never thought you would see again on this YouTube channel. Sister EXO is back in the house. You guys remember we used to post videos with my sister in them, a whole bunch, doing car audio videos, scaring the crap out of her in the passenger seat as we were doing some bass cruises. But things kind of went sour in the comment section. People started to kind of abuse the fact that I was putting my family, a good-looking girl, on YouTube, and I just said, no thank you. It put a bad taste in both of our mouths. But today, we have got a resurrection of some throwback fun at Peaks Island, where my dad was born and raised, a nice little island on the coast of Maine. So I figured I'd bring you guys through the little adventure because, you know, we all miss hanging out with Danielle. Great little character there. So let's go ahead and put car audio on the back burner for today. We're just kind of catch up a little bit with stuff that I think you guys would really enjoy. So let's sit back, relax, and just have some fun. No brakes! No brakes! Ah. Burning rubber. Oh, Danielle, there's a soccer game going on. Oh wait, no, it's just practice. We're good. There you go, Danny. Not bad. I'm doing way worse. I can't even hold the camera still. Oh!
Wow, what the f?
All right, we're coming up on the secret passage. See that tower up there in the woods? There's forts all over this island. It used to be a big military post back when the wars were happening. We can't go in this one, but there is one right down the road that's pretty much identical to this one. Bunch of horses going by. That's cool. Oh, I just rolled in poop.
Oh no.
It's everywhere. It's everywhere. We take a left or go straight. It's like an optical illusion. Here, I'll stand a little bit to the right, and then you're gonna be like, oh, there it is. Right there.
Oh yeah.
Perfect. This is where we're gonna go all the way up to the top. Yeah, once you get in there, just kind of pry your way through and go face first, right into the hole. There you go. Nice. Looking good. All right, I'm coming up. Yeah. The acoustics in here is amazing.
You gotta climb up the roof.
It goes up probably, I'd say each level is 10 feet. Careful, Danielle, okay?
Oh my god. Wow, this camera is like really good.
You think so? Thanks.
Look at that.
Second level, almost above the tree line here on Peaks Island, Maine. You can see all the mounts to where the weaponry was, all pointed right out of these holes. All right, next level, Danny. Let's see what you got. Just please, just be careful. I would hate to call Rescue 911 on your ass. Nice.
Nothing.
All right, Danny, I'm coming up. Here you go. Second to last one. Oh, wow, did you hear that bass in here? Wow. This is acting as a big subwoofer enclosure. Like, that's the port. 20-year-old rope.
Yeah, I don't know about that one.
Esophagus.
You alright?
Where is it? They're pretty high.
Oh, when you grab them too.
Give me your hand.
Yeah.
Nice. You're at the top.
Check it out.
Top of the fort. Check out all the islands. Casco Bay right there. You can see some curious looking hooks in the ceiling. That's really cool.
Imagine what would happen if you fell from here. You would break both your ankles, probably your pelvis, your skull.
Damn, Danny.
You should go down first on this and break my fall.
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, cool. There you go, Danny. Almost. There you go. Let's see the dismount. Nice. All right, time to head back out. It's great. That log keeps getting shorter and shorter, though. I swear it was way up higher last time, remember?
Yeah.
They had to add rocks at the bottom of it just to make up for it. Come on, Danny, what the hell's taking you so long?
Where to go yet?
The hell is taking up all my gigabytes here? People are gonna start disliking this. What the hell? Danielle, he's got like 7 feet of air. I should have backed up to get that madness. Let's put that bike to the test. See what your off-road skills are, Dan. I want your meanest face while you're going over this. Like, I'm gonna do some slow motion bumps. She pulled it off. She pulls it off, ladies and gentlemen. I think we found a geocache. You do the honors. Open it up, Danny. I'm excited. Surprise Geo. What?
Nothing.
Oh, man.
I wish I could just go back and be so cool, but I can't.
Nah, you're a lame ass. Do a nice little something. There you go. Perfect. Do a spin, Dan. Like a 180 spin.
But I got nervous. Ah, I'm scared.
Come on. This is bullshit. It's got some spring to it, doesn't it? I don't know. 360 may be a little harder.
Yeah, hell yeah, it is. Nice.
Oh, it's the same thing every time. Danielle.
I'm scared.
Oh! Nice, Danny. I would count that.
That's hard.
It is. All right, and we've reached our spot that we're gonna have some lunch. Got some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. This is Whaleback, good old Whaleback, classic spot. 20 years ago, I was doing the same exact thing I'm doing right here today. Let's have some grub, Danny. He walks away. All right, we're coming up on the entrance to one of our favorite places on the island. There's a huge opening that we're gonna show you guys all about, and it's pretty damn creepy. I hear the flute. I heard some beautiful music being played. Can't really see much of anything except for on the walls. Yeah, this is definitely one hell of a room right here. Someone took a lot of time with this. Oh, wow. But this goes right up to the top here. Once you're on top, you can actually look down these pipes and yell through. Dale! Yep, we officially made it through battery steel. That was really cool.
That was awesome. That was fun. Favorite time ever going through.
That was my favorite time going through too.
One of these mornings, I'm gonna wake up singing. Gonna spread my wings and gonna take the sky. Till that morning, ain't nothing gonna harm me.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw the phone up to you. You ready? Ready? You got this. 1, 2, 3. That definitely didn't work. Looks like she's still going, Danny. You ready for this? Round 2? 1, 2, 3. Here we are at the top of battery steel. Here's the pipe I was telling you about. We're just on the other side of her. Let's yell down again. Hello! How's your heart feeling, Danielle? Is it still pounding? All right. We had Danielle over there with some palpitations. She wasn't feeling the best, but maybe it was that extra dose of caffeine.
This is awesome.
Yeah, take a look. Here we are on top of the fort, about 40 feet up, right on top of that little concrete entrance that we saw coming in. Come on, Danny. What the hell?
Straight downhill.
It looks wasted.
I don't have any tread on these.
It's looking good.
Ouch! Kind of sucked.
So the same field that we saw those kids playing soccer on earlier is the same field that these horses are just hanging out at.
Just a little it's just a little cut, but the little piece of skin flapping off.
Oh, Danielle.
Hey, I said it was small.
Well, that should do it, YouTubulous. I really appreciate you watching this video, and I sure hope you can hear me right now. But me and Danielle definitely had a great time. Did you have a good time?
So good.
So good. You know, had a great time, you know, met that weird guy. That was freaking awesome. Really random, but awesome. So thanks for watching the video and enjoying this quick little adventure for this summertime special. This is EXO and Sister EXO Danielle signing out. I'll talk to you in the next one. And that should just about do it, guys. I had such a great time hanging out with Danielle during this whole day, and to tell you the truth, it did not even feel like I had the camera there. Everything was so natural, just having fun, and just so happened to be filming it at the same time. And it's so cool that different things happen than ordinary trips, like that guy just randomly playing the flute, echoing throughout the whole Battery Steel. Definitely a big imprint for me that I'm gonna remember for the rest of my life. This was actually the last time that I got to hang out, you know, big time one-on-one with Danielle like this. Things have kind of, we've kind of like drifted away now that I've lived in North Carolina, and it's kind of sad because we used to be two peas in a pod, very, very close, always hanging out. And now that I live, you know, 1,000 miles away, things are different. And, you know, she has her own friends and her own agenda, and I do too. So it's cool to look back at this and remember how close of a relationship that we did have. I shouldn't say did, that we do have, but it just remembering, you know, the dynamic of just how easy it was to have a camera at the same time. But nowadays I have this complex of holding the camera where it's not always as enjoyable doing the day-to-day holding one in your hand. I wanted to be a little bit about just hanging out with my family. You guys can kind of see the general dynamic between the two of us. So I'm not gonna let this video go up for too much longer. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks to all of our patrons on Patreon, big thanks. And Christmas time is coming up. If you guys wanna check out, I have a review video of a Bluetooth speaker that you might like coming up at the end part of this week. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you're looking forward to the big behemoth build, let me just do a quick little update on that. I got set back thousands and thousands of dollars more than I thought I would be because of the choice of speakers. So not everything's a free ride, so I got set back a little more. Don't worry about it, guys. This is all according to plan, slow going. So please stick around. I love to have you here. So hope you enjoyed this video. I will talk to you in the next one. Have a great holiday. I'll talk to you obviously before that, but all right. See you then. Well, see you in the next one.